Meaning to make this video, if you guys haven't utilized it, the go live together, you've done it with me, but if you go to the bottom, you hit that plus symbol, go to go live, opens it right up for you. I'm at the soccer game here. You want to go in and change it to no so that people are allowed to comment, because you don't want to leave it on kids, then it won't allow you to comment. Make sure you slide over the go live together part and then schedule for later. You can pick a time. Like I said, you can pick a day, 12 or 2, 2:10, whatever time you want to schedule it for, you can pick that time. Make sure you go to advanced settings. You can go over there, and that's where you can do the monetization, turn that on. Then you scroll back up, go to the title, change the title, put in whatever you want or who you're going live together with. And then make sure you change it, of course, to public, because you want the public to be able to see it, but you can also do unlisted as well if you didn't want anybody to see the video. Then after that, it's going to have you set a thumbnail. This is an initial thumbnail. I always go make my own and then add them in later. And then you copy the invite link or send an invite link, hit one of those. I like to copy it, and then you text message it straight to the person that you're going to have come on the live. They click on the link like I showed you guys before, and then boom, there it is. And then it's saved up in the top right corner. You can see it's saved up in the top right corner. That way you can open it up when the time comes. You just have to go to your go live now or your live section to bring it up. And then if you want to delete it because you don't like it or you made a mistake, you just hit that delete button. Boom, it's gone. But if not, it's scheduled for later, and then it has an arrow you can use to promote it.